Well, are you ready for this? I gotta put your harness and everything on. We're gonna go do something, Jax, man. We're gonna go do something. I'm sorry. I know. I know. Sorry, man. But first, a big shout out to my video sponsor. Thank you, ExpressVPN, for sponsoring this video. Don't give a hacker easy access to your online privacy. Protect your email, financial documents, and your passwords with ExpressVPN today. ExpressVPN encrypts your internet connection with the highest standards of encryption today, and gives you unrestricted access to all parts of the internet. I've been enjoying ExpressVPN for over a year now, and it has helped protect both my phone and my laptop. It's simple to install. I use it with all my online streaming media. Ever been blocked out and unable to see the titles you're looking for? With ExpressVPN, you can select the country of your choice and then reroute your connection. Just refresh and get updated viewing options. I never browse without it. It's given me freedom and security of all my online browsing and protects me from online thieves. Find out how you can get 3 months free by clicking the link in the video description below this video. expressvpn.com/nomadic. And thanks again, ExpressVPN, for sponsoring this video. Now let's change gears. Jax is already hiding. Let's find out some shocking news about Jax's annual vet appointment. Here we go. So probably my least favorite day of every single year here for 9 years now. It is time to bring Jax into the vet to get his annual vaccines and shots that he's legally required to have to travel, and to get his annual physical and find out how everything is going. These videos I often always share with my viewers over the years, if the vets will let me and everything, and it's always a very strange one for me. I get unbelievable hate in the comments about vaccines. First of all, what you need to know for Jax and I is that he's legally required, state to state, to have proof of all his vaccines up to date each year, and to have his rabies shot and the feline leukemia and all that stuff. He's got to have that for us to legally be able to travel the country. I am required by law to do it, and I have not had any problems. I'm sorry if your pet did have a reaction to vaccines, but we've been good. The other thing I get from many of my both older viewers and newer viewers is Jax's weight. And I mean, this is constantly, like, all year long, no matter what the facts are, I just get bombarded with, Eric, your cat is fat and overweight, and you need to put him on a diet. And I'm sitting here like, what are you talking about? Do you not even watch my channel? Like, every single vet seems to have a different story, but for the last 2 years, Jax has been on core. He has been eating 3/4 of a cup of dry food, which is what a cat that wants to be 16 pounds would weigh. Jax weighs 26. So he's eating the food intake of a 16-pound cat. I mean, we have done everything possible to try to bring his weight down, even though the vets continue to tell me that Jax's breed, Maine Coon and Ragdoll, 35 pounds is still a healthy cat. Okay, Jax is 26. So everybody just sees a big cat, a big kitty, and they think automatically he's overweight and it's the owner's fault and there's a problem. And every vet tells me, and I show you, that there is no problem. Jax is a healthy cat. He may be a little overweight compared to other cats, but Jax is healthy. He's been healthy. And if something changes today with his diet and they want to try something different, I'm all ears. Like I said, 26 pounds. Last time Jax got weighed, he's kind of maintained. We'll see how he does today. All right, buddy, we're here, okay? I want you to be a good, brave boy, okay? Then you get treats. Okay? All right, buddy, it'll all be over soon. All right, gotta get you all filled out with your paperwork, okay? Hang on. All right, you're all checked in, Jax. Yeah, you're checked in. All right, man. You're next. I said, I can't wait to get weighed.
Right up there, and we're at 21 pounds.
Oh my gosh, he lost 5 pounds in a year.
Awesome.
That is fantastic news. That makes me really excited, Jax. What a good boy. What a good job you did.
Let me see your teethers. You got big kitty teethers. Do you guys live in Florida? Or are you visiting?
No, we're on the road in an RV, but we generally come to Florida in the winter, at least. So, your temperature was good. They put the thermometer up as woohoo, and he's good. Want some treats? I'm so proud of you for losing 5 pounds. You don't need to eat the whole thing though. Good boy. Oh, hey, Doc. How you doing?
I heard I get to meet a star today.
Yeah, this is Jack's cat. We're celebrating a mini victory here. 5 pounds in 1 year.
Well, that's good.
So this diet, either the grain-free or just the portions, feeling like we
that's good.
got a little bit of success there.
We don't want him to lose it too quickly, but losing weight will be real helpful for him.
Sure.
To live longer, be healthier,
Okay.
and he's seeing me less often for all kinds of reasons.
Right.
Including less likely to develop diabetes and even more benign things like a urinary tract infection.
Sure.
On his back teeth.
Easy, easy.
It's all right, friend.
Just checking you out, man. It's not all right. Oh, okay. It's okay.
His heart and lungs sound fine. That's good.
Good.
He's a polydactyl cat.
Yes. Yeah, you are. Don't argue. You're okay.
Well, down inside where it's important, they're pretty clean.
That's good.
What he has, he's got some wax right where the ear turns the corner. Our ear canal goes straight in, but a cat's goes across, turns the corner, and then goes up.
So down, closer down here?
All the wax has to go uphill to get out. And he's starting to get some buildup
On the bottom.
in this area here where it just can't quite make it all the way out on its own.
Okay.
But his ear doesn't look infected. He just has more wax than a normal cat. But not uncommon for that to start to build up like that when they get a little older like this. You probably will want to get some liquid ear cleaner, fill the ear up, and then massage the ear real well, let him shake his head and sling it all out. And wipe out whatever you can see. But don't try to wipe where you can't see.
Can I just warn you for vaccines? It's been at least 4 or 5 years, but he did get a little upset one time during that, and he's been good since I've been in the room, but
Okay.
just protect your hand so he doesn't bite you.
We'll try to be careful.
He's not happy. They've got 3 technicians out there working on him. Easy, easy. You're gonna be just fine, okay? And get a treat. Look, you want some of this if you're good? If you're good.
Oh, what's he got?
No, that's
Look
good.
at me.
Here, try some.
I heard what he said. He said, now.
Yeah, just be a good boy.
You might use that
I'm gonna
as a
come over here.
distraction if you bring your treat over here and he
Yeah,
wants
that's
to
true.
eat it.
That's true.
That's fine.
I want to see like Jack's man, okay? You take good. You want some treats? You can try it. Yeah,
That one's done.
we got one. We got one good boy.
Now just keep your facing the same way.
You don't need to bite the whole package. Oh my goodness. You're really going at it there, aren't you?
Alrighty.
All done.
That was it? You gotta be kidding me. That was way too easy.
So now you know. He's very food
Wow. Better?
He says, I was only interested in case it was one of those.
All right. Alright, so we got some new ear cleaner to go with it. And we're gonna treat Heartworm with some Revolution Plus. Okay? Okay. So I've got a lot of emotions on my mind right now. First of all, I feel somewhat responsible for the fact that Jax has lost 5 pounds. And in fact, even the doctor said, you know, the only thing that he was worried about is that might be too much in 1 year, and wanted me to keep an eye on Jax's ribs because he may be losing weight too fast. Like, oh, okay. So he showed me a little chart where he's at like 1 to 10, 10 being obese and 1 being here. And he said Jax is between a 5 and a 6. And he said, really, once you start going under a 5, you got to start worrying the cat might be too thin. Like, oh my gosh, I've never in my wildest days thought that Jax would be too thin medically. So we'll keep an eye on that. I got the new ear topical stuff that'll go down into the root the way he explained it, because I can only reach so much. And the Revolution Heartworm thing is just it's a preventative maintenance thing. He doesn't have heartworm, but cats can get it pretty easily, and just something, I think he was more thinking that because of the massive weight loss, but he doesn't have heartworm, and so we're still going to put him on the preventative stuff, so I feel good. And Jax, man, I think you should feel good too. I think you should be really proud of yourself. You've done good. You've done so good. Yeah, and oh my gosh, during the shots, oh my goodness, him's such a good boy. Yeah, him's is. Good boy. So today I have a chance this afternoon to stock up on some shopping. You know, I gotta get some fresh produce. I got to stock up on some more Atkins low-carb protein bars and stuff like that. Eggs and all the goodies, TP and cat litter. So I'll stopped here, and I'll probably just boondock here to Walmart. You know, I would love to be hitting more campgrounds in Florida. There just aren't that many free boondocking spots. They do have the wildlife management ones, but they're so hard to get a hold of. You can't just go in. You have to have a permit. You have to plan it out weeks in advance. Then you have to get a key code that goes in, and they don't answer the phone. They don't reply to email, so I can't just get one last minute. But anyway, I'll sneak back in here tonight. All right, sun's setting, and this is the Walmart here that I'm going to spend the night at. So did my workout, just going to shower and eat one more meal and cut it off for the night. So anyway, really, really happy with Jax's weight loss. It's a really good thing, and I can't say enough good. I'm happy, but I'm really just amazed and shocked. So anyway, I got a buddy up in Panama City, so that's where I'm starting to head tomorrow-ish. Guys, take care. Jackson, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.